Your tires are the only thing between your car and the road. Keeping them in top shape is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and a smooth driving experience. Start by checking your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can increase fuel consumption, while overinflated tires reduce grip. Use a pressure gauge to ensure they match your car manufacturer's recommended PSI. Next, check your tread depth. If the tread is worn below 1.6 millimeters, it's time for new tires. A simple trick: use a 20p coin. Insert it into the tread. If the outer rim is visible, your tires are too worn. Look out for bulges, cracks, or uneven wear. These could signal alignment issues or tire damage. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles can help ensure even wear. Proper tire care means better performance, safer driving, and fewer unexpected surprises. Keep those wheels rolling safely.